Here it is, released on a cold January day in 2011, went on to become the second greatest breakup tune of all time. If you'd like to know what the greatest breakup tune of all time is, please let me know in your comments below and I'll try and get around to doing a video of it. If I do, the link will be up here to that video whenever it happens. Okay, have your tissues ready. The artist is Adele, the album 21. #1 best-selling album in 2011 and 2012. The song is Someone Like You. Now, I've seen a few guitar tutorials on this song. What they're doing is simplifying it down to make it a sort of a strummy guitar version of the song. What I'm going to do here is give you the piano version, but on guitar. So, get rid of your plectrum. Get ready to do lots of pinching and plucking. And here we go. First chord is an A major. You don't need to finger the 4th string because you're not going to use it for this A major. But you can if you like. So you start off with a pinch. So let's pluck the A string and the G string together. A string with your thumb, G string with your first finger. Then you pluck 2, 1, 2 like this. After that, 3 times around, you go 3, 2, 1, 2. Now be sure to keep one finger reserved for each string. So that's first finger for the G, second finger for the B, third finger for the E. So that first chord goes. The next chord is a C sharp minor over G sharp with the exact same plucking pattern, except that instead of the A string, you pluck the bass E string in the pinch. Third chord is an F sharp minor. Very slightly different plucking pattern here. So initially you pinch the 6th and 4th strings. Then you pluck 2, 1, 2. Then with your thumb you pluck the 4th. Then 2, 1, 2. You do that 3 times. Next chord is a D major. Now just for convenience here, I play that D major this way, but you can play D major this way, whatever way you'd like. I'm just going from an F sharp minor, so you just drop that finger down to the first 3 strings and the 2nd string and the 3rd fret with your middle finger. Same idea, pinch the 3rd and 4th strings, then 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's do those first 4 chords all together, see what it sounds like. Okay, if you've got this far, you've done about a quarter of the song. Those first 4 chords, you play them twice. Now after that, you've got a C sharp minor over F sharp, which is this. Now there's no pinch here, it's just 4, 3, 1, 2, twice. Next thing you do, you keep your left hand where it is, and you pluck the bass E string. So you're actually changing the chord here to a C sharp minor at 11 over E. And you pluck 6, 3, 1, 2. And after that, you go back and do 4, 3, 1, 2 again. So that bit goes. Then you got a D sus2 4 times. Same plucking pattern, 4, 3, 1, 2. Go back and repeat most of that. So you've got your C sharp minor over F sharp, and your C sharp minor at 11 over E. Your D sus2, C sharp minor over F sharp, D sus2, and then you got an E7 over D. So, second half of the verse goes. Alright, if you've got all that, well done, you've got the verse finished. Now, moving on to the chorus. A lot of the chorus happens up the neck. First chord in the chorus is an A major. But if you want to sound like the piano, you need to do it up here. And the plucking pattern is slightly different. So you pluck the 5th string with your thumb, then straight down 3, 2, 1, then 4 with your thumb, then 2, 3, and 4 with your thumb again. So that goes. Next chord is an E, but it's not the E you're probably used to, it's this. Do that same plucking pattern, but instead of the A string, you use the E string. So it's 6, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. F sharp minor, same plucking pattern. D with the same plucking pattern, but of course the bass for D would be the 4th string. So the plucking pattern is 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. So let's have a listen to that. Now that's half the chorus done. You play those 4 chords twice. Next part of the chorus, again, sounding like the piano. Same plucking pattern. This time you're playing your A up here. Then an E right here. And an F sharp minor 7 up here. Then a D sus2, but here. So those 4 chords are. After that, you start going back down to the comfort zone. Okay, so you've got your A again. E. F sharp minor. D. Repeat that. After that, you've got another verse. You've got another chorus. The last thing we've got to look at is the bridge. Nothing compares, no worries, no cares. Okay, so that's an E. Same plucking pattern as the chorus. So 6, 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 4. So you've got an E twice, C sharp minor 7, D sus2. Now things get slightly different here. Gets a bit Led Zeppelin-y here actually. You got your E again, once, C sharp minor 7 once. Then you got the Led Zeppelin-y part. So that's a D, but this way. And it's a very simple plucking pattern. It's just 4, 3, 2, 1 twice. And you got an E over D, same shape, just move it up 2 frets. And you're into another chorus. And that, my friends, is how you play Adele's Someone Like You. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, have a look at this playlist. or watch my latest video. Okay, I'm Niall. Thank you so much for watching. See you in a future video. Learn a tune a week.